action.
We don't have one of those clicky clacky take 152. But I guess we're doing Jonathan Fixes again, or maybe Jonathan Presents, or I don't know, Jonathan does scooters free stuff more. I don't know. We got the rough country plate that goes on the spare tire. We're gonna put that in. So first thing you do is you take your spare tire off. It's not real hard. 3 lug nuts, done. Take the tire off. Then you have to come around here. You got to take this little cover off here. Somehow. You got to be really careful because you don't want to mar up anything. And I don't have another one of these. Then you got to unplug these 2 connectors. One's your camera, one's your brake light, I think. Yeah. And you reach in there and unplug that. You reach in here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now we got that unplugged. We'll go for it. All right, now you come around here and fish all this out. Boom. There's that. Now you got a hole. Now we got to take these 13s out. If you can speed through this, you know, do that. Whatever. Got it? Do now.
I think that'd be a little heavier. It's pretty light.
That comes off. Don't play with your toys. We don't want the door to go crazy, so we close the door. Then we're going to use some hinge, some wedges. Stick that in there. That one there. I need another one. Nice thick one. There.
You shot my milkshake in there?
So
Shot my milkshake.
that's gonna go like that, and that. Alright, bring that over here. Hold this other, hold that side. Then you got to put these little wedges on here. Go down, down.
Stop touching the door.
My teeth might pop in the head, yeah.
Stop touching the door.
That one head?
Yeah. Got it?
No. Take that. Thank you.
You got a boop boop.
I had some ideas, but he said it looked kind of weird.
Alright.
Boy, it sounds hollow with all that stuff in there.
Oh yeah. Well, there's all sorts of stuff rattling around. And make sure your gap's right. Gap. No rattly. Man, that's tough. Okay, so we got that. We need the big tire doolally, give him the bolts. Now there's little lineup pins that line everything up, so you really can't screw this up, but give us a minute here. So, loosely install all these. Alright. Cool. So now grab the big tire, stick her on there. Now wait a minute, you gotta get the, there's no center in it. Okay, good deal. Get the lug nuts lined up. Lug studs. Let me shut the door. You just hold the door. There we go. Just gotta hold it. Okay. Works. Back door! Now we gotta plug in this hoop nanny.
I did our.
There's that.
Mess it up, I already stole that piece.
Ta-da. Let's see what happens. Ta-da.
Cool. Yep, it still holds the spare tire.
Now we put the spare tire reinforcement. It's from Rough Country. It says RC right there. It's pretty neat. Nice thick 1/4-inch steel plate. Looks good. Makes it all fancy, rigid. And Scooter got more free stuff to put on this Bronco. Black lug nuts, we put those on, but he didn't order these 3, so they're still silver. And the spare tire thing. And we'll see what he buys next, what we have to put on. So until next time, have fun. Oh, and please be careful. Take your time doing these because you don't want this door to drop from here. And it'll get all cattywampus, weird, so don't do that. Take your time. Bye.